Okay, so this is a continuation of the last three videos that I did for Somali for Kids, where I talked about our story, which is Ali Beenaale, or Ali the boy who lied. Okay, now if you guys recall, we had ended the last episode, okay, where we found out that Ali was herding his family's goats and he found it to be very boring. So let us now start to read the next page, and we're now on page 4. Okay, so what I'll do to make it easier, and please feel free to share your comments in the video by letting me know if you want me to continue reading the story or if you just are happy for me to give you a short little teaser. Now remember, on our website as well on Amazon, you can still get a taste, a flavor by going through the book. Okay, so let us now read page 4.